Try to take one ride around in my body,
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today is going to be the part 2 of the unboxing and decorate the room slash the home vlogs. So let's go dive in and unbox with me.
Ain't coming home the way I left it this time, it's my city, ain't coming home the way I left it this time, something's different. Ain't coming home the way I left it, cause I know you miss me now. Busting the door down, coming to your house. It's been a fucking while. It's crazy we grown now, but I'm just a whole child. I'm still fucking around. All my same goals, but got my same jokes. Yes, I came up, but I ain't changed though. Just my hometown knows my name now. Now your best friend is a fan of me, and your fam acting like we family. Heard your gram, yeah, she heard of me. And your man know I'm the man to be. Now your best friend is a fan of me, and your fam acting like we family. Heard your gram, yeah, she heard of me. And your man know I'm the man to be. Try to take one ride around in my body. Can't say I saw you around when I started. I'm a hometown hero, that's so far that I came, but I never knew if it would fall into place. I became what I wanted, and I'm still on the way. Ain't coming home the way I left it this time, something's different. Ain't coming home the way I left it this time, it's my city, Ain't coming home the way I left it this time, something's different. Ain't coming home the way I left it, cause I know you miss me. I wish you could show me that love like the place I'm from. They raised me good, none of these days can touch my day one. I wish you could show me that A5 kind of love. Might stay for the love, might stay. I'ma go find as long as it take. I really been going out of my way. I'm coming right back and it'll be worth the wait. Yes, I've been grinding, no bad day. Yes, I'm in the sky, but not flying away. You don't know what you got until you lay. Try to take one ride around in my body. Can't say I saw you around when I started. I'm a hometown hero, that's so far that I came, but I never knew if it would fall into place. I became what I wanted, and I'm still on the way. Ain't coming home the way I left it this time, something's different. Ain't coming home the way I left it this time, it's my city, Ain't coming home the way I left it this time, something's different. Ain't coming home the way I left it, cause I know you miss me now. Try to take one ride around in my body. Can't say I saw you around when I started. I'm a hometown hero, that's so far that I came, but I never knew if it would fall into place. I became what I wanted, and I'm still on the way. Ain't coming home the way I left it this time.
Okay, so this is the remote control. So if this works, yes, it does. Yes. But when I first try it, it doesn't work, because when it's near, like this close, let's say, oh, it works. Like, because yesterday when I try, it doesn't work, but here it works like that. So you have to like a little bit far from the area to make the remote work. So this is it. This is so pretty. And here is the, what's that, the plant. It's so pretty too. And of course, this is my favorite. Call me an old-fashioned, but I like this one. This wall clock is like my favorite one here. I always like to have a wall clock. I think it's like having a picture in your own room or in your home. So that's why I like it over the digital clocks. And here I just put the fairy lights. They are not for the separate purposes. They are actually from the plants. They're actually for these, but I put the leaves on the wall and feel like perfect on their own weight. So I just like, maybe I'm not I don't want to put the fairy lights right now. Maybe after some time when I get bored, I will put the fairy lights over there. But right here, I think it's so pretty. It's the hanger. I bought the small one, and then there's I'm not showing this right now because this is for another haul. I'm not ready yet for this one, but I'm planning it out right now. So there's that. This is the water bottle. Actually, I am too late for the trend. I was thinking a lot, like, should I bought it? Is it even necessary? And then I finally bought it. So let's just decorate it. It just contains this sticker. If you have this bottle at home, I think most of you guys have it already by now, so you will know these stickers are like complimentary. So I just have to like plan out read the whatever it's written here, written on the table, written on the bottle, and then I just take it out, all these stickers on the bottle.
Try to take one ride around in my body, Can't say I saw you around when I started. I'm a hometown hero, that's a far that I came, but I never knew if it would fall into place. I became what I wanted, and I'm still on the way. Ain't coming home the way I left it this time.
Okay, this is the tablecloth. Actually, I bought it for my study table, but I got the wrong size, and it has to go over the fridge. And here is the frame, and this is my new favorite from Ted Baker, and this is also from Watson. This is I've been trying this is new. I don't know how the results would turn out right now, but this is basically the tablecloth, but it's looks so nice. Yep.
I left it this time, something's different. Ain't coming home the way I left it, cause I know you miss me now. Well, I'm busting the door down, coming to your house. It's been a fucking while. It's crazy we grown now, but I'm just a whole child. I'm still fucking around. All my same goals, but got my same jokes. Yes, I came up, but I ain't changed though. Just my hometown.
My new bedsheet. I'm waiting for. I've been having a dilemma for this. Should I buy it? Should I not buy it? And then finally I did. Hope this is a good choice. So this is the bed sheet. And I think this is this is a blanket. Ooh. So cute. Let's see this one. Okay, I thought the blanket was just a blanket cover, but it's not. So this is the material is not just cotton. I think it's combined. And it says nothing much. Okay, this is the 2 bloster case. Okay, I don't have a bloster, so I'm gonna take this out. And these are the it's so cute. Isn't this so cute? Just bought it because I like it so much. This little dinosaur here. Oh, it's so cute. This is the bed sheet. It has this. The quality is not very. And here is this is the elastic. So this is on the bed. This is so pretty actually, but I think the material wise this will be really hot, so I'm gonna have to keep this for the winter, I guess. It's so pretty. When I first bought this one, I thought this is the blanket cover, but no. So this is the underneath. This is a real blanket. So this is like this, and this is my fluffy little toy here. I love him. Oh, it's so cute. Because I can't pet in this apartment, so I have to buy this one as a substitute. Isn't he so cute? Oh. So that's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye!
I'ma go find as long as it take. I've really been going out of my way. I'm coming right back.